Good afternoon, Internet. My name is Kevin from Cleverbox Artworks in Peachland, British Columbia. Recently I bought myself a CNC machine from a Chinese company called Style CNC, and they use the LNC 2200 controller, and there's not a lot of information about that controller available, so I thought I would share some segments with you of how to operate the machine. Today's segment I'm going to be showing you how to activate the A-axis. As you'll see from my machine here, it's a conventional deep bed 3-axis machine, and to the side I've temporarily parked my rotary axis, or my A-axis, because I only need that, of course, when I'm carving statues. And to get it, this thing weighs, just so you know, this thing weighs 400 pounds. It's 3/4 inch solid steel, absolutely rock solid, but in order to get it on and off the CNC, I actually had to install a track system, which I use with an endless chain winch, and that helps me get it on and off the little skateboards that I built for it. Once it's on the skateboards, I can move it around the workshop, no problem at all. But it is very, very heavy. Anyway, that was beside the point. So what we want to do is we want to activate the A-axis. I've decided that I want to do some 4-axis work. I'd previously disabled the axis, and now I want to re-enable it. So let me just show you how to do that. Let me just mount the camera. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so I hope the usefulness of the video is outweighs the lack of professionalism, if so to speak. So anyway, the first thing we have to do is we have to reset our user level. We have to go back from level 3, we have to go to level 5. So we go to the home screen, this button here, F5 takes you to the maintenance screen. That brings up the user level screen, and currently we're at user level 3. We need to increase our user level to 5. To do that, our cursor is in that box. Down here is actually the input box for it. And we just type the number 5 and press enter. You notice the user is now changed to level 5, and the password is 2222. And press enter. And there we go, we're now at level 5. The next thing we need to do from here is we're going to go and we're going to hit the parameter button, or F5. Then we're going to select F3, axis base. That brings up this screen here, and what you'll see is it says soft axis, X, Y, Z, and then blank. The blank is your A axis, and currently my A axis is disabled because I'm not using it, as you saw. Now I'm planning to use it, and so in order to tell the machine, hey, it's now active, I put my cursor in the path and I set that to 1, press enter. The axis name, I set that to 400, press enter. And the hardware port, I set to 4 and press enter. And now the important thing is I now have to hit the reset, and that's now reset the machine, so now my A-axis is active. That is to say, the machine is looking for the A-axis. Now, in my particular case, what that means is when I've mounted my A-axis on the machine, I then have to reconnect the wiring as well. When I do that, I'll have 4 axes. Anyway, I hope this has been useful for you. Have a great day.